Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Ken Bhan. I'm a film and television actor. I do stand-up comedy, and I'm a huge car enthusiast. So usually I'm putting stickers and graphics on the car. Today we're actually taking them off. And whether you're putting them on or off, it's kind of fun because it gives the car a whole new flavor. My other car is in the shop, so I'm driving the old Z. It has a sequential manual gearbox, and it is a blast. So what do you guys think of the sticker over here? Should I get rid of it, where it says vlog?
It's gone.
Okay, it's going to be gone in a second. What year do you think the car is?
2005.
2005?
Yeah,
2007?
2007.
2003. You were close.
No way.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. So it was at the dealership, and the dealership guy was like, I kept looking at your car and thinking it was like a 2019. I had to check the license plate. So yeah, if you get a good one and you take care of it, you could have a lot of fun. The back's all custom too. You guys want to peel the stickers off? It's already started. You can peel if you
Wow.
yeah, you just yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Better, man. Yeah, get that tape off. Way better.
You guys are making filming so much easier. You don't even know.
This is history right now.
It would be impossible. That one you might not be able to get. Oh, you got it. Oh wow.
Fucking money, man.
You guys are going to town on this.
Oh yeah. Oh god, my ass. Wait, hold up. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a spot. Oh, almost done. Oh,
No.
Fuck mask.
Bam!
Oh yeah, much better.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
totally
Honestly, that
clean.
looks way better. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what? I think you guys are absolutely right.
That looks way better.
So I'm gonna dub you guys the official Bad BMW crew. Thank you for getting the job done. Please give a like and a subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe, baby.
There you go.